everyone, today I am going to show you how to insert a slash front pocket. You will find these mostly in pants, but sometimes in skirts. This tutorial specifically relates to my new Nita trousers pattern, but you can use it to follow along with any pattern that has a slash front pocket. Now, what is a slash front pocket? The slash front pocket is a pocket that is slashed out of the front of a pair of pants or a skirt. And in that pattern, part of the pocket becomes the side seam of the pants or skirt, as opposed to a side seam pocket, which would just be inserted into the side seam. So here you will need your front pants piece and your pocket pieces. The first thing you are going to do is line up that slashed front onto your pants piece. Generally, you may have a notch here at the side seam, which you will want to match up. And this is going to be right sides together. So the face of the pant with the face of the pocket. And we are going to stitch right along this slashed seam at the given seam allowance. In this instance, it is 1/2 of an inch. So we have stitched down this slash seam 1/2 of an inch. And the next thing we are going to do is press away. Now you can do this at the iron. I usually just finger press it at the machine and do it there. And we're going to understitch along the pocket side of the seam. So press this away in about 1/8 of an inch from our seam line. We're going to do an understitch, which is going to help everything to turn to the inside and look really nice and clean. So now we have understitched along the pocket side of the slash seam. And the next thing we're going to do is to fold the pocket piece in half. We want to finish this bottom opening. And this is going to end up being somewhat of a French seam. So you want to fold it wrong sides together first. So this is the right side of my pants, this is the right side of my pocket, and I'm folding it so that the wrong sides are together. And you are going to again match those notches on the side seam. And you are only going to be stitching this curved bottom edge of the pocket. We are going to stitch that 1/4 of an inch. So we have stitched 1/4 of an inch wrong sides together of the pocket bag. And I'm going to clip this corner. And now we are going to turn this pocket bag right side out, poke in that corner really nice. And now we are going to, I will probably press this a little bit to get a nice crisp edge along the bottom, but you are going to stitch once again 1/4 of an inch along this bottom edge. And that will give us a nice, clean looking French seamed inside pocket. All right, now we have our clean stitched bottom hem. We have a nice clean edge. It's a beautiful French seam that's going to look great on the insides of our pants. Last thing you want to do is stay stitch the pocket in place. So you want to fold the pocket at the slash. Again, you might want to give this a little press so you have a nice crisp edge. And we are going to make sure everything is laying nice and flat. You want to line up the top edge of your pocket with the top edge of the pants. you should have a notch in the center of the top of the pocket where it is meant to fold, and that will match up with the top of the pants if your slash is folded in the correct spot. And then again, on the side seams, we have a notch in the pants and a notch in both sides of the pocket, which need to match up here. So I am just going to do a quick stay stitch across the top and across the side to hold the pocket in place. Now our pocket is stitched in place, and we are ready to move on with the rest of the instructions. Now we have a singular side seam that goes all the way up to the waist. That includes part of our pocket piece, and everything looks really nice and crisp on the outside and on the inside as well. And that is how you sew a slash front pocket. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something today. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if there are any other tutorials you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos by clicking this button right here. And you can check out my other tutorials in my tutorial playlist right here. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!